2025 is just 3 days away. But here's the thing, your life won't magically change when the clock strikes midnight. Real change happens in the small, simple actions you take every day. Start small. Make your bed in the morning. It might sound trivial, but this one habit gives you a quick win to start the day with momentum. A small step forward sets the tone for everything else. Get outside for 10 minutes every day. Sunlight not only boosts your mood, but also improves your focus and energy. It's one of the easiest ways to reset your mind and feel better. Take 2 minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude isn't just about feeling good. It trains your brain to focus on the positive, even during tough times. Move your body daily. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Just a 20-minute walk can clear your mind and improve your health. Cut back on distractions. Start with one thing. Put your phone on silent while you work. Protecting your focus, even for short bursts, can dramatically improve your productivity. Feed your mind. Commit to reading 10 pages a day or listening to a 5-minute podcast. The knowledge you gain over time compounds and helps you grow. And at the end of the day, wind down properly. Turn off screens an hour before bed, reflect on your progress, and get enough sleep. Rest is where growth begins. You don't need a perfect plan for 2025. You just need small, easy habits that you can stick to. These small actions will build into big changes if you stay consistent. 2025 isn't about a new you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Start now, start small, and keep going.